Alright, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are asked to find f prime of 0 if f of x is equal to log 2x plus 1 base e. Okay, solution. I hope you know that log in base e is something as saying ln. So therefore, log 2x plus 1 in base e is something as what? Ln 2x plus 1. Okay, ln 2x plus 1. So that is for our f. F prime simply means divide the x. That's the meaning of f prime. F prime simply means divide the x to differentiate. Okay, so and to differentiate this is very simple. We're going to apply a simple law. So let us say, this is quotient rule. So this is chain rule. So we can say let y be equal to everything ln 2x plus 1. And then we'll now say let u be equal to the one in bracket 2x plus 1. So therefore, my y will now be what? Ln u. So this 2 is going to give me du dx, and du dx is equal to what? 2. And then this 2 is going to give me dy du, and ln u is 1 over u. Differentiation of ln u is 1 over u, because differentiation of ln x is 1 over x. As simple as that. So my answer is simply dy dx is equal to du dx multiplied by dy du. So that if the u cancel the u, I'm getting back my dy dx. So this is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 over u, which is what? 2 over u, which is what? 2 over my u is what? 2x plus 1. Okay? And then I say I should find my f prime of 0. F prime of 0 simply means anywhere you see x, put 0. That is 2 all over 2 into 0 plus 1, which is what? 2 over 1, which is what? 2. Now, this is too long for me to use shortcut to solve it. Watch me now. Let me use shortcut to solve it. So I have that my f of x is equal to ln 2x plus 1. So f prime of x is equal to, I told you that in chain rule, that the shortcut is simply differentiate the bracket, differentiate everything. This is the bracket. Differentiate the bracket, differentiate everything. So if I differentiate the bracket, which is 2x plus 1, I'm going to have just 2. Okay, multiply by, differentiating ln something means 1 over that same thing, 2x plus 1. So which is giving me what? 2 over, because 2 times 1 is 2. 2 over 2x plus 1. Very simple. And they say I should find f prime of 0, which means anywhere I see x, I should put 0. That is 2 all over 2 into 0, then plus 1, which will give you 2 over 1, which is what? 2, the same answer. So instead of using the long method, it depends. If you are solving theory question, use the long method. If you are solving objective question, use this shortcut and get your answer. So may the peace of the Lord be with you. Bye-bye.